Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Don, and in this video I'll be sharing with you exactly how you can get your Opay referral code. So a lot of people have been asking how they can get their Opay referral code. So I will be sharing with you exactly how to access that in this video. So log into your Opay account like I'm about to do. Watch me do it. Okay. After logging into your Opay account, it's going to show you this dashboard with your Opay app. So here is exactly what to do to get your Opay referral code. You know, some other affiliate platforms you guys do a link so that when you share the link with somebody, if somebody clicks on the link and enters and create an account, they would have referred you would have referred them. But in Opay, there's no link. So what they give you is a code, and that code is what I'm going to show you how to get. So scroll down where you see where it says refer and earn 800 naira cashback by referral. Click on that place. I click on it on my app, and it's opening up a page. Once the page opens up, I will share with you exactly what to do. And before the page opens up, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification, and ask me any video you want me to make in the comment box below, so that I can make the video exactly how you want it. So check down below, it says refer and earn. Invite one new user and get 800 naira. So here is the referral code. It says my invitations. Where it says my invitation, you will see it written clearly, written boldly. Mine is 8161911533. So if you haven't opened an Opay account before, I encourage you to use this code to open an Opay account, because if you use this, you're going to get 1200 naira welcome bonus. Look at where it says your friends can get 1200 naira welcome bonus, so that if you use a referral code, you're going to get your welcome back bonus, which is 1200 naira. But if you open an Opay account without any referral code, you will not get it, without any invitation code. So I encourage you to use my invitation code, which is 8161911533, to get your 1200 naira referral code. So in this same video also, I'll be sharing with you exactly how to get your Opay account number. That is not your full number, because when you open an Opay account, your full number usually is your account number where somebody can send you money. But I'll be showing you a number on Opay, on your Opay account, a specific number unique to only you, that you can use to receive money into your Opay account, and it's not your full number. So go back, click on where it says earn money, this back arrow, go back and go to this dashboard again, where it says get paid and earn. Just below this green icon where your account balance is going to be showing, where it says add money, transfer and withdraw, just below it where you see this small gift box, it says get paid and earn. Click on that place. Once you click on that place, it's going to open a page that looks like this, where it says merchant services. Use your pay me account to receive payments into your Opay account. This is the number they are talking about. Look at it, it says pay with transfer, Opay and all banks accepted. That means all banks will accept transactions into this account number. This recipient bank Opay account number 61139106191. That's my own, and my name is right here. So that is your Opay account number, which is not your mobile number. To confirm what I'm saying, look at what it says below. What is pay me account? Pay me account 61139106191 is a great way to receive payment into your Opay account without disclosing your mobile number. That's the benefit of it. So without disclosing your mobile number to anyone to send money into your Opay account, you can use this account number. And using this account number doesn't mean your phone number doesn't work again. You can also use your phone number, and you can also use this account number. For me, I prefer this number, because this number is like a normal account number, different from phone number. So that is it. This is the benefit of it. It's 100% success. When somebody transfers money into this account through this account number to your OP, it is 100% success. It's instant credit. That means if somebody transfers money through this account, through this number, it gets into your OP account instantly, and it's free of charge. They are not going to charge anybody who will transfer money to your account, to your OP account through this number. And you earn bonus if you use a referral code. like I showed you, you will earn a bonus of 1,200 naira once you use my code. So I'm going to share with you once again my invitation code, so that if you've not opened an Opay account, you can use my invitation code to open an Opay account, and you will be getting 1,200 naira. So let me show you my invitation code once again. Here is it. My invitation code. I'll be inviting you to join me on Opay, making money on Opay. You know, on Opay you can also make money by selling recharge card and things like that. So if you've not opened an Opay account, I encourage you once again, use the invitation code, where you know when you want to open an Opay account, they will share it with you where you can put your an invitation code. So that place, put 8161911355, sorry, 533, to open an Opay account, and you'll be getting 1,200 naira welcome bonus. Thank you once again for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification.